Hello everyone, this is Dacodac Performance. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do a pop and bang tune or a crackle map tune. And I want to say sorry for my English, and I hope that everyone will understand what I'm talking, and also the tune. This is more important. Um, so we are also selling on eBay 800 gigabytes of Damos file for $9. So the link is in bio, and we also offer tune in our websites, stage one, and a lot of things. So guys, if you are not professional and you are not sure on what you are doing with your car, just contact us, or at least buy the demos. Uh, People are happy, man. With 800 horsepower, my bad, man. 800 of gigabyte of demos, you will get your car, that's for sure. So let's go back to your tune. So what we are going to do is open ECM Titanium, open your file. So this is an A4, 200 horsepower. Okay, so to do this pop and bang tune, it's pretty easy. On ECM Titanium, this is pretty easy if the software finds you the map, and if the map is really this map. This is a big problem from ECM Titanium, is that it find you the map uh, that's are wrong. So you need to check that. So you can check it in a 3D view or into the view also. So it depends on the ECU that you are working on. Okay. So you need to check that at your site. So how to do this pop and bang tune? It's pretty easy. Okay. You have to ask two questions. First, the RPM that you want your pop and bang to just go, and the intensity of the pop and bang. So most of the time, we tune between 3,500, sometimes 3,000 or 4,000. It depends on the RPM that you car, your maximum RPM. It also depends if you have turbo. That's not important. You just have to ask yourself the question, uh, uh, which RPM I want my car to have this pop and bang. Okay. So we're gonna select like 300, 520. Okay. So you're gonna select these two column here and just go down, go all the way down. Okay. So that's it. So how to doing it? So just click on edit value, and now you have to ask yourself about the intensity. So what I can give you guys, it's an intensity, quite a bit low intensity. It's gonna be 5. A higher pop and bang will be 10, and you can go 15, or a good set for very high pop and bang. It's 21.75. Most of the time it's been used, but this is for very high. So to give you an example, I can just go in my contacts. So I did a tune from someone. I did stage one and also pop and bang tune. So I'm just gonna let you listen to this. Second video. So this tunes was a 15. So if you want 15, just add 15. Depends on what you want to have. Okay. So this is good, but this is not done yet. So you confirm that, and you have to be very careful about something. Is that as you can see, there is a second one just right there, hashtag one, and you also have to tune this one. So you select the same setting, exactly the same that you do on the first one, 15, and you confirm. That's all you have to do to have a pop and bang tune on your car. So I said again, be careful about the um, the map that you are working on. You have to be sure that this is the right one. Um, on the ECM Titanium, yeah, you always have to check if this is really the right one. So this is very important. But if you don't find the map or the map is not correct for you, we as I said in the beginning, we are selling 800 gigabyte of Damos for 9 euros. So we'll have all the fucking car. Uh, in it, so this is pretty good. And we also offer stage one for 28 euros. This is pretty cheap. We are working very nicely. Uh, we also offer 885 E85 tune if you want it. So that's it, guys. Also, if you like this video, please give a like. And also, if you want to have videos about something else about tuning, just tell me. I will do it. Okay. So I said again, sorry for my English. My English pretty bad, so I hope that you all understand these videos. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.